Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be showing y'all again how to make beef jerky, but I'm gonna be showing y'all a little bit of a different recipe this time. So yeah, before we get into it though, make sure y'all get my cookbook. It is on Amazon and it is linked below digitally, so do not forget that, y'all. You can search my name of the book or the title of the book. Get cooking and keep cooking. Without further ado, y'all, let's get to it.
Am I really that much to handle? Breaking these niggas down like a demo. You don't really know you.
Yeah, so we're gonna take our flank steak. This steak cost me about $20. So we just gonna cut strips like this. I'm gonna cut this in half actually. Let's cut it in half. And then we'll cut the strips. Against the grain. So I just try to lay them as flat as possible. So we are going to lay some foil on, some plastic on top. And we're going to take our mallet and go crazy. Then you're going to take and put your meat in there. Alright y'all, so we have 1/3 cup of soy sauce. Y'all try to use the less sodium kind, okay? We have about a tablespoon of Worcestershire. We're gonna do 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. We're gonna do 1 tablespoon of this chili garlic sauce. Can y'all see that? This is gonna bring the spiciness right here. Then we're gonna do some black pepper. We got the coarse black pepper. Some garlic powder and onion powder. We're gonna add some crushed red peppers. I like to go in with a little bit of cayenne. And y'all, use whatever kind of hot sauce you like, but I'm gonna try some of this. I never had it before. I'm gonna try some. Usually I would go with Louisiana or some other kind of hot sauce. This is because I like mine spicy, y'all, and I made this different from last time. All in the crevices. We're gonna let this marinate. We're gonna let this marinate for about 2 hours, okay, y'all? 2 hours minimum for me. I don't know, everybody else do their stuff different, but I'm gonna do mine for 2 hours. Okay, so y'all, we have our jerky out. What I have is a paper towel, and what I'm gonna do is, y'all, I'm just gonna take these out and kind of pat dry them so they're not soaking wet, but we don't want them dry, if that makes sense. So this is all, let me see, can y'all see? This is all that I'm gonna do. It's here, and we're just gonna. Y'all can't just lay these all flat and then just pat dry them. I don't know why I'm doing it one by one. I feel like I'm making my job harder, but it's okay. You're gonna use something like this or like a barbecue rub. I don't have none of that right now, so I'm just gonna use this Cajun, y'all. And I'm just gonna do a little sprinkle. Y'all see that? Just a little. Then I'm gonna throw on some more crushed red peppers. Okay, y'all, so we're going to put the lid on this and we're going to let it go for about 4 hours or so. It just depends on how y'all like y'all jerky. I usually go for about 4 hours in this dehydrator. Okay, y'all, I end up leaving it for about 4.5 hours. And this is how it came out, y'all. Don't forget the grocery list is in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, y'all. Let me know what else y'all want to cook, what y'all want to see, what y'all want to learn.
Hit that subscribe button.